Good morning, everybody. This is a shout out to all the kids in my advisory when I talked about how I wanted to learn how to knit. Here's my first washcloth, maybe. As you can see, I got some holes and it's not perfect, but you know what? I did something. So I'm very excited and I hope to continue to improve and work and get better at that new hobby. All right. Today is an organization day. Um, I hope to help you to take your journals and we're converting them a little bit into writer's notebooks. Now, many of you, you've already done this. It just came naturally. All we're going to do is add your book log. It's not going to be a big deal for you. Others of you, I need to see it. The purpose of doing this is so that it's kind of like one stop. I'm able to give you feedback and you're constantly able to see it, and we have everything in one spot. So when it comes later time to revise, you're able to find things quickly and as well as improve every day based on my feedback, because you're going to be opening it up every day for that. So first thing you need to do, we're on Classroom. We're also going to be using a Google site to help us for similar reasons. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on our new Google site. There we go. The reason why we are transferring over to a Google site is so that you can see all of our anchor charts right at the top, as well as my sample of my writing. I always will have my sample on there. It will always look like this. So you need to click in there and scroll to today's work. Okay. But as we gather more anchor charts, I will continue. I will add on to this Memorous No anchor chart. And as you scroll down, you will see your list for today and what you need to do. So the first thing, as always, read 20 minutes and document it in your reading log. You should be doing that every day. I apologize, I got two ones here. Second thing for today is you're going to organize your notebook. You're going to take that COVID-19 journal and it already, for most of you, has morphed into your writer's notebooks. The rest of you are just going to kind of like gather some things today to turn it into it. Many of you are doing fabulous with this. Most of you just need a little more help with your organization. I'm going to ask you to add everything so we have it into all one place. For today's entry in your notebook, all you're going to do is add the URL for your reading log and make sure it is shared with me. Okay, so I'm going to open my journal. Okay. And like most of you, I got some of my just regular journaling in there. I have some free writes in there. I have some of my brainstorming in there. All right. I believe here, this is where we left off on Friday. So I'm going to add today's date, April 6th, 2020. All right. And I am going to open my book log. You're going to copy that and you're going to paste it right in there. That's good enough. That's all you need to do. You don't have to get fancy. Now I know yours is all filled out. I've been keeping mine in a notebook and I probably should start doing it electronically just like you. This is very important. You need to share with others. Okay, so you need to share with O'Connor or Tammy. Okay, so you send that. We'll see if I'm able to send it to me. Okay, please, 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 please make sure you do that sharing part. All right, so today's entry is done. A few of you are close to being done for the day already. Please, please, please make sure all of your brainstorming we have been doing in your notebook, in your memoirs, is in your notebook. This includes your video tour or map. I didn't care which one you did. 3 possible ideas with your themes and how you traced your hand. Let me go back. There's the tracing from the hand. That was from Friday. There's my map. I don't know if I have my video in here. Yep, here are my videos. And my possible memoir ideas with the themes. Okay, please add those so that we can have everybody can find it. I hopefully, if I've seen it, I wrote comments on it. If I haven't seen it, I haven't written comments. That's how you know if I've seen it. On today's form, oh sorry, Next, you are going to make sure you have your one memoir there. We took one day to write your memoir, or write one memoir. We'll be writing others. It was April 2nd. Some of you just wrote it in a different doc. If you just want to put the URL in there, that's fine. If you want to copy and paste it right into there, that works as well. Okay, and then the last thing you are going to make sure is you have all of your regular journaling in there. I don't know, most of you did like 3, 4 of these. Here's one, there's my second, third, fourth, fifth. I think I have 5 or 6 in mine. So please make sure those are in there because those might turn into possible final drafts of memoirs as well. All right, please, 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 this part is muy important. Please make sure you go up here, share, and you put in my name. All right, Tammy O'Connor. Please make sure, please, it's critical that you share it with me. Check your email later. If I can't see it, I will request access. I will always give you a call or something like that if I can't. So please make sure you do that. So once again, what you need in your journal, URL for your reading log, that's today's entry, all brainstorming activities, all of your COVID journaling, and your draft of your one memoir. Thank you all so much for helping us to organize so we're on the same page and you can go out, refer back to feedback that I might give you. Then today's April 6th. This is your form to fill out, your last name, first name. Did you do your reading? Yes or no? And if you don't, please contact me. Please let me know. Usually I write down if you didn't tell me why. Please let me know what I need to do to improve for you. Did you add your reading log? Yes or no? Are your journal entries in your journal? Yes or no? Did you put your brainstorming? Did you put your one draft in there? Remember, that should be about a half page. Please here, put the URL. Then you would go copy. I just hit Command C, and then you would hit Command V, and it puts it right there. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know why I have that option 1 in there. You can press it if you want, and you would hit Submit. I'm not going to because it's not going to work for me, but please do that. I hope you're all healthy and doing wonderful. I hope all of your loved ones are healthy and doing wonderful. Hang in there. We got this. Now we have your writing notebooks. And let me check my notes one more time. Please, please, please share, share, share those documents with me so I can see them and we can have feedback and we'll be doing wonderful. Miss you all so much. Looking forward to the day I get to see you again. Take care and organize.